Hey students, we're back. I'm going to be doing the examples on the back of the 9-1 notes, the adding a C value. So right here we have the parent graph, just the basic y equals x squared. What happens when I start throwing numbers on the end of it? So if you look at the 9-1 notes, I have 4 different combinations. First one, I'm going to throw -2 in there, -2. As you can see, the only thing that happens is it slides down 2 units. Okay, there now we're at 0 and -2. All of the coordinate points that used to be here now just went down 2. That's all that happens. Okay, so this is the y-intercept, or it basically just moves the vertex around. Okay, you see a -2, you're moving yourself down 2. The vertex was right here, now it's down 2. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste and get the other ones in there. So the next one on the list, it's a -x squared. So it's going to be going down, but instead of a -2, it's a +2. So this one goes up 2. Okay. So I've basically taken the 2 graphs from the previous page, moved this one down 2, and I moved this one up 2. So we have a pointing up that's moved down. We have a pointing down that's moved up. So they're kind of crisscrossing a little bit right there, all right? Now things would get pretty funky as I keep going here. The next one is a 1/2. I'm going to type it like you see it, I suppose. So 1/2. Wow, that's nowhere near what I wanted, okay? Bracket 1/2. Let me do that. Okay, sweet. So let's go 1/2 x squared, and then I think I have it a -3. Okay. Okay, so as you can see here, so it's a half, so it's going to be wider. It's positive, so it's opening up, and then it's going to slide down 3. So there it is, down 3. It's wider than the red line because 1/2 is smaller than 1. It's closer to 0, so it's going to be wider. It's positive, so it opens up, and it's down 3. Okay. Now the last one is almost the exact same, but I think I switched, kind of like these two, I think I switched the positive and negative. I don't want red again. Let's give me another color, please. Blue? Okay, close enough. Okay, I think I had a -1/2 and then a +3. I think that's what I had. Yep, there we go. Okay, so look at this thing. This thing is crazy. Just a couple of numbers sprinkled in there, and what it almost looks like, friends, this almost looks like I've graphed the Under Armour symbol. Okay? Kind of did that on purpose, all right? So kind of neat here. So again, let's kind of go through the red one, okay? +1, I'm going to type a 1 in there just so you see it. +1 opens up, but it slid down. The vertex went down 2, okay? So there it is. Let's see here, -1, so it's going to go down, but I moved it up 2, okay? There we are right there in the purple. Black line, okay? 1/2. 1/2 is wider. I'm going to go ahead and click on the vertices, keep those things posted. There we go. So 1/2 positive. So it's going to go up, and it's smaller than 1, so it's going to be wider. That's why the black line's wider. But I moved it down 3. Okay. And then right here, -1/2. So it's going to go down. It's going to open down. And it's negative. So I already said it's -1/2. So it's going to be wider, and then it moves up 3. Okay. So it's basically all a C value does. The extra number on the end, it basically moves your y-intercept up or down. And since all of these have a vertex of 0, 0, they all slide up and down right here. The more and more complicated we get with these, the C value is going to not always be the vertex as well, but just in these cases it is. That's about it. Okay, so with a little number manipulation, messing around, you should be able to graph yourself an Under Armour symbol. All right. So as you can see, Desmos does this pretty quick. Doing it by hand is a little messy, but sometimes life is messy, and you just got to deal with it. All right, see you in class. Goodbye.